Hey guys, MD95TSI here. How's it going today? Boy, is it warm today, but it is beautiful out today. The only downfall is the humidity and all. I don't want to put my quads up today just because of the high humidity and stuff. I don't know, it just seems like it puts a whooping on your batteries. So maybe if it cools down later, go out. But anyway, got a mail call here. The one package I kind of known it was coming, and this one I did not. I just cut them open in the house. It sold dust all over me. I've been out here working. Got the bunny area, the beach. When we cleaned up that back area back there, a lot of light came through once you remove all the junk, and it showed me that we had, you know, gaps that he could get out, and we definitely don't want him to get out. That would ruin both of me and Crystal, so, and Russell, of course. So alright, well, first up, let's see what we got here. I think I know who this was from here, so I just, like I said, sliced them with a steak knife. It's all jaggedy. Yeah, I do know who this is from. Bro, you are awesome. No way. Check this out, guys. You guys are probably like, what the hell? These are cool, man. If you guys never saw, whoa, they popped together real quick there too. They got like arms to adjust. Oh, okay, they do adjust there. That's pretty cool. Huh. Oh yeah, see it on the side there. Man, that's sweet. My big brother sent these to me, Neil. That's awesome. Can we see with them? Try them on here. Oh yeah. That's beautiful. Yeah, and I can see with them too, because if I pull back like oh yeah. See really good with them. Nice. Appreciate them, big brother. They're really nice. They fold up like that and just hang them. That's nice. Awesome, man, awesome. And it looks like it comes with a cleaning towel and a tool. I guess the tool is for taking care of them, taking the screws out and whatnot. Awesome. Really appreciate you, Neil. And you know I use these bad boys. My other ones, I've about dropped them so much and battered them up, and they're a pain in the neck on your face like that. So these are awesome, ready to snap together. You ain't gotta worry about that. Pimping. Thank you, big brother. Really appreciate you. Magnetic reading glasses. I guess I'm getting to that age, huh, guys? No, I have to have these to solder, man. If I don't have these for soldering them little tiny boards, oh yeah, I'll be in trouble. Sorry, really appreciate you, Neil. Thank you so much. I'll end this and then we'll get into this and do it in 2 different videos.